The woman with the issue of blood had an encounter with Jesus. And she said, Jesus came and was your mamerwe. No one one in your metene. Daddy, thank you, sir. Uyoyou mano murire. Hazire ayamo zone. Aroribo. Aroribo ya amazina. Olorime, 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 uwona. Olorime na abumazina. The good you do today will speak in your favor tomorrow. Zomaroro ido kase. It is a dangerous thing to make a vow to God and not pay. Remember Ananias and Sapphira. Zomaroro aja fitare anaye yako aroribo ya bawo mese olori mena aroribo ragana abu mese. God demonstrated his love towards us by sending his only begotten son to come and die for our sins. Kimogene Uyouyou bona nare o tebi amavure se aroriwo yawo mezina manuwo 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 aroriwo nare abu mezina. Solo kings and Ebruken, 2-3 when in near each other and I make monkey get power. Without delay, let's go. Uyouyou, precious Father, I bow to your honor. People you can, like sons and daughters of the past. Chama, chama, chama. Zomaroro, ido gazinare. Game with God. Give me the wages of promise and faith. Death. Hey, will they come and play to the glory of God? The Lord is worthy of our praises. Uyouyou abonare. Na o baby amo